This week we'll be working on multiplying by 7 and then multiplying by multiples of 100. So a little practice for multiplying by sevens. Last week you've been working on getting your skip counting down with sevens. So for these, 7 times 8, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. 9 times 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. 3 times 7 is 21, 35, 42. You'll be asked some questions about finding how many days there were in a certain number of weeks. So knowing that there's 7 days in 1 week will be helpful. When you've got 6 weeks, I want to know how many days there are. That's 6 times 7, 42 days. 7 weeks would be 7 times 7, 49 days. We worked on multiplying by multiples of 10 last week, where we did stuff like 10 times 4. We covered the 0 up and did 1 times 4, which was 4, and then bring the 0 back down. You get 40. This week, we're going to be doing it with powers of or multiples of 100. So 100 times 6, cover the 2 zeros up, do 1 times 6, which is 6, and then bring the zeros down. So you get 600. 200 times 4. Cover the zeros up. 4 times 2 is 8. Bring the zeros back in. We get 800. 300 times 2. Cover the zeros up. 2 times 3 is 6. Bring the zeros back in. 600. 100 times 8. 800. A little bit of review for this week as well. 18 feet into yards. You can pause the video and try it yourself and then come back to see what the answers are. So 18 feet into yards. The question here is, do we multiply by 3 or count how many times 3 goes into 18 or divide by 3? What you need to know is a foot, 3 feet makes 1 yard, right? So that means it's going to take less yards to make feet, which means you're going to count how many times 3 goes into 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and get 6 yards. 27 teaspoons in a tablespoon, same thing. There's 3 teaspoons in 1 tablespoon. So our answer should be smaller. So we do, how many times does 3 go into 27? Should be 9 times. Again, you can pause the video, do these problems, and then come back. 4 times 9 is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. So these are equal to each other. 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 minus 3 is 5. 11 bigger than 5. In a rectangular room, when you're doing a problem with a shape, it's always helpful to draw it so you can kind of see what's going on. Area, remember, is length times width, so it'd be 5 times 9. So area equals length times width. Area equals 5 times 9, which was 45 feet squared. Perimeter is length plus width plus width. So that'd be 5 plus 5 plus 9 plus 9 equals 28 feet.